Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your account on Cascade HR. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar type in cascadehr.co.uk. It will take you to the official website of Cascade HR, and over here in the top right corner you can see the account icon. Click on it. It will take you to this interface over here. Scroll down a bit, you will see various login portal. Choose your appropriate one. It will take you to the login portal, and over here it asks for your username of your account. Once you do that, enter your password and click on remember me if you are using a private computer for further use. But if you are using a public computer, I do not recommend you to do that for your privacy. And in case if you guys forgot your password, you can click here forgot your password to reset it. Once you do that, click on login button. You will be logged into your Cascade HR account. So this much for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.